Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by understanding the Nether to overworld scale and math involved. 1 block in the Nether equals 8 blocks in the overworld. Convert coordinates by dividing overworld x and z by 8 for Nether placement. Round coordinates to the nearest whole number to prevent portal mismatch. Do not change y unless necessary. Height rarely affects linking. Write down both coordinate sets before building any portal structure. This preparation prevents accidental connections and saves travel time in survival and multiplayer worlds. Calculate exact coordinates and then construct the portal carefully. Divide the overworld x and z values by 8 to get Nether coordinates. Use these numbers to mark blocks in the Nether with temporary blocks. Build a standard obsidian frame at your marked position with proper orientation. Light the portal using flint and steel or fire charge to activate it. Confirm portal alignment by stepping through briefly to ensure it links to the intended overworld portal. If portals mislink, destroy the wrong portal and rebuild at calculated coordinates. Rebuilding forces Minecraft to search for the closest valid counterpart again. Maintain at least 16 blocks separation to avoid accidental linking in crowded areas. For major networks, create hub portals in the Nether using calculated coordinates for each overworld waypoint. Use signs and markings inside the Nether to prevent confusion and accidental demolition. Regularly test each link to confirm reliability before relying on routes for frequent travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.